You are my rock through my hardest times, and you are a great dad to Zach and our dogs who depend on you most. I'll never forget when I first met you. Like the story said before, I secretly brought my friend with me to the city in case you were a creep. We kissed on our first date in the park near Crown. We sat there for what felt like hours. I'm proud to see how far you have come in the past 10 years, from graduating uni to working your way up in your job, to being a father and taking on that responsibility with all your energy. So Cam, I promise to love you, care for you, support you, scratch your back and give you a massage, and take Zach to his activities. I can't wait to read the next chapter in our book of adventures with Camille.
Emily, since the day I met you, I knew you were going to be around for the long run. You are beautiful, caring, a fantastic mother, and fun to be around, and I enjoy every moment with you. And even when you go a little crazy while watching the footy. We have been on many exciting adventures, just the two of us as a family. As our family grew with Ollie, then Luna, and now Zach, our adventures continued, but have changed for the better. Now 10 years later, and we're finally arrived here today to start a new part of our lives, and I can't wait to see what new adventures await for us in the future. I'm a lucky guy to be with you, and I vow to love you, be your best friend, and be there for you and support you forever. Love you, Em.
I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time.
For now, 2 as husband and wife.